Today is a fine day, or like not so hot, not so cold, but it's frozen. Look at, guys. Either there's a little snow in it, the on the grass, and it's frozen, but it's not so cold. Look, you can see, guys, it's white on the grass. It's frozen. And look at the trees. That is the trees for now. There's no leaves, and it looks gray and black, but it's so beautiful. When the snow is coming, so it will become like white. All the trees will be white because of the snow later on. But for now, it's not yet. It's not begin yet. But yesterday it was the first day of snow, but it's raining at the same time, so it's like it's like wet and the snow is not seen. But look at that. So, and here I will go up in the stairs. It's frozen. Look at that, guys. It's snow on the floor. And here too. And here too. In here. Everywhere is white of the frozen snow, or it's frozen for now. So the trees are beautiful there, and the sun is coming out there. But if you stay outside, it will be cold like that. Isn't it beautiful, guys? But some of the trees are not surviving, and some of them are staying green, like the Christmas tree. They will stay green for the whole year. So, but the sky is so good, blue and fine, so it seems the rain will not come this time. And today, guys, I will show you about the renovation in our house, and we will see how it looks. I'm sure it's messy, but we're gonna clean later on. Let's see, everyone. Here, this is the room, and here is have a lot of wires yet because it's not done. And here is there's a wall out here, so they can put some thing to hang the jackets around here. And here maybe the shoes. In here they already cleaned the wall. And look at, guys, this one they can use as a on and off switch. The switch is like Bluetooth. It's without wire, but it will work. So they just put it here right now. And look at this, guys. It's not so messy because they removed some of the things. Look, here's the materials, and here's the things that they use. There is the wall, and here they have insulating, or like they put something to not the cold will not come in, or the heat will not come out. So the wall are getting better there. This will be the kitchen later on, and that one is all the wires. So it looks good with all the walls right now. So later on they're gonna paint, and before they continue the wall, continue the work. Here's the wall. This one, this is, oh, sorry. So this is all the renovation right now. This one, all their things is in the middle. Here. Here's the wire also. I think it's for the computer or something else. And here's, they're gonna leave the wire there later on. And here's have one room. This is the room. There is the things. So it's getting better anyway with all the wall. And here they have done, just put some roof later on or ceiling, and there will be, they need to work more in that one. So it's quite good. It's really good, the progress. It's it's getting better. And here is the next room. Also there is done on the ceiling, just to put some ceiling floor or wood later on. Here also they need to work more in this. And that one, this is just a small room, but it's just for the guests. So this one, and there's a little stuff out there, but it's getting better anyway. So like that it is anyway. It's little messy because it still have a lot of things in here, but we are so happy for the progress of the work. They really did their job. And look at, guys, I will try this Bluetooth switch. Look, the light will come there. It's for the Bluetooth, and this is off. Look, on and off, and it will come there, on and off. That is really good. It's Bluetooth, or it's a wireless Bluetooth switch. So yeah, that is really good, and I'm happy for their work in here. So later on they're gonna just buy something for the wall, for the floor I mean, so they can continue and putting some work. So I'm go back outside. It was so cold. Before it was not so cold, but this time I feel so cold in a way. It's frozen, and later on the snow is coming in a way. So that is that one for today, guys, and thank you for watching, and I hope everyone is okay out there, especially the people in Philippines who is having the typhoon. I know, and I seen a lot of posts or videos that many who is affected of the typhoon. So be safe everyone, and God is always there to help us everyone. So see you on my next video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ami Family's Blog, and don't forget to like and share and give a comment. Everyone, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and have a nice day. So here's the next one. Look at that, guys. This is our altan, or like terrace, what it called. We sit there during summer, and it's frozen the floor also. So everywhere will be frozen. But look at the sunset there. It's really